Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janae Mickles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a wig from Hergivenhair. Now this wig is pre-plucked, slightly bleached knots, and it does come with an adjustable band, which is great. And the curl pattern is a 3B to a 3C. And this is also a pre-styled wig. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the wig. It does come with combs in it, and like I said, an adjustable strap to make sure it fits your head really tight. The hairline is so natural, so I barely have to do any plucking at all. The only thing I did was bleach the knots. And I also use a new method for this wig. So you guys know how my hairline is a little low. So I use Nair to take some of the hair off in the front. I didn't record that, but if you guys want to see how I do that on my next wig, just let me know. So you guys saw that I did about 6 braids going back and put a stocking cap on. And to lay that down, I'm just using my Got To Be Free spray. So me just putting the wig on, you guys can see how this lace is just high quality. It looks just like my hair without the lace even being cut off yet. And you guys can see how the hairline looks. So this is actually after I did the Nair. So the middle part of the hairline actually goes up higher so it can fit my hairline perfectly. So to cut off my lace, I'm just using any random pair of scissors. It doesn't really matter to me. I tried using a razor. I don't really like that because I always end up cutting myself. So I just use a regular pair of scissors and it works fine for me. And when you cut, you don't want to cut in a straight line. Make sure you cut kind of jagged. Okay, and right here you guys can see how natural the hairline looks, and that's without me even gluing it down. So to hold the wig down, I will be using my black Got To Be glue. I just applied a little bit in the middle and then used my blow dryer and I just laid it right down on there, and then I took my comb just to lay it down even flatter.
Growing. Will it make a difference if we're caught up in a storm? 'Cause like the rain, we will fall, we will move on too.
One thing I really love about this wig is how it's curly from root to end. As you guys have seen, most curly frontal wigs, the end of the hair will be curly, but the actual like root part will always be straight, which isn't the most flattering because if you have a curly unit on, you want it to be curly coming from the root, so it looks realistic. So that's one thing I love about this company, because all their curly wigs are curly from root to end.
I love those deeper, deeper roots. We gotta give our love those deeper, deeper roots. You know the sunshine ain't the only thing that we're working through. We gotta give our love those deeper, deeper roots. It's always been the sound of you that soothes me. It's always been the way you smell that makes me feel at home. And I just wonder if we'll keep on growing. Will it make a difference if we're caught up in a storm? 'Cause like the rain, we will fall and we will move on too. There's no need for shelter on days like this. Like the rain, we will fall and we will move on too. There's no need for shelter on days like this. We gotta give our love those deeper, deeper roots. We gotta give our love those.
So to make the wig look even more natural, I'm going to use the same powder that I use on my face on the actual lace, so it can have a nice blend.
That we're working through, we gotta give our love those deeper, deeper roots.
Some people run when they feel pain. I've never been.
And then I'm going to go in with my olive oil eco styler and just slick back the hairline and then make some baby hairs.
Always know. The bigger the storm, the brighter the rainbow.
So now that we have the wig on and secure, I'm going to take some water and just spray that all over my head. And I'm going to use a product from TGIN. I have it linked down below just to define the curls a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Paul Mitchell blow dryer using my diffuser and just make the hair a little bit bigger. So this is how the wig looks in the pre-styled way. All I did was just add some water and product to freshen it up a little bit. And now I'm going to show you guys how to do a half up, half down style, which is super easy and cute to do with this hair. And these are the final looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will have everything linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.